Once upon a time, in the kingdom of algebra, numbers and letters lived separately, each in their own domains. Numbers enjoyed the simplicity of their world, while letters dreamed of potential and what could be. But a day came when a wise old mathematician envisioned a realm where both could exist, building magical expressions that held the power to describe the universe's secrets. Hi, I'm Sharmila, your go-to-go for all things fun and educational. Today, we are diving into the world of structures that form the foundation of many mathematical expressions. So let's get started. A monomial is an algebraic term that may consist only of a constant, example 7 or 8 or -2, or a single variable, example x, y or r, or it may be product, a product of a constant and a variable. Variable raised to a power. Example 3x squared. So a monomial should consist only of a single term. In 3x squared, we can see this is the exponent, this is the variable, and the constant in front of a variable is called a coefficient. It is a special name given to the constant. If you are not sure about these exponent, variable and coefficient, I have done an in-depth video on this, and the link for this video can be found on the description below. It is also worth noting that monomials, they do not have any additional subtraction signs splitting them up. What I mean is 3x squared y is one monomial term, and then you place a comma and write the next one, 5x squared z, and place a comma before you write the next monomial term. So here each algebraic term is called a monomial. Mono means one. Poly means many. So a polynomial is made up of a group of monomials connected together by addition or subtraction signs. Example 3x squared. This is a single term polynomial, which is also called a monomial. It is a single term polynomial. Next, 4x cube minus plus 2x squared minus 7x minus 5. Here, this is a 4-term polynomial. So in this polynomial, each monomial is called a term. Each of this is called a term. So this polynomial has got 4 terms. It has 4 terms, and they are 4x cube, 2x squared, minus 7x, and minus 5. Let's do one more example of a polynomial. X cube plus 2x squared minus yz plus 6y to the power 4 minus 3. This is a 5-term polynomials. 5-term polynomial. And the terms are x cube, comma 2x square, comma yz, comma 6y to the power 4 and minus 3. A binomial is a type of polynomial that consists only of 2 terms. Example, x squared minus 5x. Here the 2 terms are x squared and minus 5x. Next, 3x to the power 4 plus y. This is also made up of 2 terms, which are 3x to the power 4, comma y. By means 2. And this can be clearly seen in the above expressions, which consist only of 2 terms. Okay, last concept of the day. Now I think you may be able to guess the number of algebraic terms that a trinomial may consist of. Yeah, that's correct. Tri means 3. And so trinomial is consists of 3 terms. Example, 3x squared plus 10y minus 5. The terms here are 3x squared, comma 10y, comma minus 5. One more example, 8x cube y plus 9x to the power 7 minus 4. The terms are 8x cube y, comma 9x to the power 7, comma and minus 4. There are 5 parts for question number 1, and you need to classify these algebraic expressions as either monomials, binomials, trinomials or polynomials. This is a graphic organizer. The biggest circle is called the monomial, and it consists of 3 circles which are termed as monomials, binomials and trinomials. And remember, monomials, binomials and trinomials are type of polynomials. So let's start. In question number 1, we can see that there are 3 terms. It is 6x to the power 5, 3x cube and minus 2. And so it is called a trinomial. In question number 2, we can see that there are 4 terms, 4x to the power 4, 3xy, minus 5x squared and 6. And so it is neither monomial nor binomial, even trinomial. So it is a polynomial. In question number 3, there is only one term, which is 7xy. It is a monomial. In question number 4, we can see that there are 2 terms, 6x cube and 9x squared y squared. It is a binomial. Lastly, it is minus 8. Minus 8 is one term. It is termed as monomial. Remember, for the expressions more than 4 terms, we have no name, and so we call them polynomial. Okay kids, for question number 2, you may pause the video and come back after a few minutes to check on your answers. Okay, let's check out the answers. In question number 1, we can see it consists of 2 parts. 2 terms, which are 3xy squared and 7z. and therefore it is known as binomial. In question number 2, we can see that there are 4x to the power of y, one term, 2x cube y, minus z, minus 4y and 1. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so it is called a polynomial. Moving on, the third question, it has got only one term, which is 8x cubed y squared z. It is a monomial. Lastly, in fourth question, there are three terms, 3y squared z minus 2xy and 5. It is a trinomial. Hope the concept is clear. Thank you for watching and may God bless you.